Hey,
You ready?
I'm ready, dear.
All
What'd
right.
you make, sweetie?
I made a nutty sweet surprise for the holidays. It's like a trail mix. I have walnuts. I took a 6-ounce cup and put 6 ounces of everything. There's walnuts, bits and pieces and halves. There's hazelnuts. There's pecans. There is almonds, chocolate covered raisins, plain raisins, and M&Ms. And I mixed them all together and made a trail mix. Now, for every flavor was 6 ounces. This is how much it made. Made a good amount for. That should last me a month or two, because when I get some, I fill the paper cup about halfway full, and that's enough for one setting. It's a good snack. It's high in protein. It's got a little bit of sweetness from the M&Ms and some crunchiness from all the nuts. Now, if you wanted to add other things to them, that would be your prerogative. This is stuff that we had on hand, except for the M&Ms. We went and had to go get those, but I think you'd enjoy it.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Excuse our mess. Our dryer broke, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little extra work. But anyway,
We're fixing it.
yeah, it's getting fixed, the guys.
I've been out of order for almost 2 years now.
Yeah, let's talk about that for a second.
Well, you can move the table and I'll show them.
Okay, well, it's messy in here.
I know. All you're gonna do is show them my leg.
Okay. Here goes. Woo!
I have a prosthetic leg now. It was cut off just below the knee.
But he's doing great.
I'm learning to walk all over again. It's been 2 years since I've been up on my feet. Was in the hospital all last
I don't know, for like
Thanksgiving until after New Year's. Was up there for almost 3 months. And I've been home since. Ruthie's been taking care of me.
and you're taking care of me.
I've been getting things straightened out in our lives. Won't be able to do much more farming, but
Well, yeah, we will.
nobody knows. But maybe by spring, when I'm getting up and about.
We
Right
still,
now, learning to walk all over again is like being a toddler. Walking along the furniture, and I have a walker I'm using.
we can get into the car. You can. He
I
can.
can get in and out of the car by myself.
Well, how old are you though?
I'm 67.
So he's.
So, for that age, I think I'm doing pretty good.
I think he's doing great. Oh, they say some people that get prosthetic legs, they don't want to deal with it, so they don't even try to walk. But Clay's.
That was the Thanksgiving turkey.
He was thanking us because we had pork today.
We had stuffed pork chops,
Yes, it was delicious.
cranberry sauce, and corn, and dressing.
So happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
And I wanted to make up some trail mix, so Ruthie got me the stuff, and I sat here at the table and made it up.
So he's doing great, but we're gonna be
Mixed it all in a big bowl, and now Ruthie's gonna have to clean the bowl out.
Well, we're gonna be doing some more. Clay's gonna be doing more videos. It's just that he wanted to have a little recoup time.
Yeah. Haven't meant to stay away so long, but nobody wants to hear everybody else's woes.
Oh, you've done really good though, really.
Well, I had the big toe cut off because there was dry gangrene from, was the first. First is I lost
The vein.
circulation through my right leg. My left leg had 75% and the right leg it only had 16. And because of the blood flow wasn't going through the leg, I got dry gangrene in the big toe, so they had to cut the big toe off. I went about 2 to 3 weeks, and it spread to the other toes. So they had to cut the foot off halfway across, just before the heel, and all the toes were gone. So they had to go with a med vac that kept it dry, and then after about 2 or 3 weeks of that, they noticed it was creeping up the ankle, so I had to have the leg cut off at the ankle. And once it was cut off at the ankle, it was still showing signs. So last Thanksgiving, last year, I couldn't eat Thanksgiving dinner. It just made me feel ill. And the nurse, in-home nurse that was coming, said I ought to go to the hospital right then. So that night, they did a emergency operation at 1 in the morning and took it off below the knee. So, and after that, it was just a matter of healing. They got all the gangrene that was going through it, because I'm a diabetic and the blood flow wasn't good in the leg. That's what caused all this. Plus, there was things I saw on television telling about the COVID shots, but I don't know if that was it or not. But as it goes, had to go and heal up the stump, and once the stump was healed, then I could go to get my prosthetic leg. And I went probably 4 or 5 weeks working with that and learning how to use it, and then able to step and walk on it with the walker and the parallel bars. Now I can get up and move with the walker, and I also have the elbow crutches, or forearm crutches, that I can use. So it's coming along. I figure by spring I should be probably walking across the lawn and that.
That lawn is unstable, so
Yeah.
I don't know. But he's doing really good, and Clay's pretty open about what's happened to him, because I know he helps other people, because some people, they don't talk about this, but Clay's a
It
big
puts you in a
encouragement.
good depression, I can tell you that. But
Well, you weren't really depressed so
I wasn't,
bad. But some people
I've
could
seen
be.
a lot of people go through depression because of
Yeah,
it.
they could go through that. That's
So
true.
I figure if you got a problem, just stick to it and don't let it get you down.
Yeah, exactly. And he knows how much I love him. Clay's my whole world. So
And we've been trying to pick up the pieces along the way. It's taken us a year, but we're doing
well,
it.
it's a whole new way. I wasn't even driving, because Clay did
No.
all the driving.
I did all the driving for years.
So I had my license, but I just had to get back in the car after about how many years? He said, "Don't drive," and I said, "It's called being a good helpmate. I know I had to take care of some things, so I just did it." So sometimes, women, you got to use your common sense, right? And he's glad I did it.
But I just wanted to break up my Thanksgiving a little bit. I made because I ran out of the last bag of trail mix I made, which I think I made that up in September, so it lasted quite a while.
Oh yeah. So he's doing great. We're doing great. Keep us in your prayers. And
God bless.
that's exactly. So okay, guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye
Bye bye.
from Popel's Backyard Farm.